Good afternoon, everybody. I have a daily chart that I'm going to pull in for the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 is in bear market territory. Once again, we're updating our trader network and our long-term clients to understand that this bear is still in the tape with daily sell signals every which way. Let me show you one thing. I would like to point out that on a week ago, or we had updated everybody here. Here's a live video done so that you can understand what is going on with the bull market, how it's going to turn to a bear market. Take the time to go through everything. The proof is right here. Now we're going to get down to business. S&P 500 has entered a bear market condition. And one of the things I want to just show here on the daily is that we're breaking down below support levels here. And I'm going to show more on the weekly chart as we go with that. Here's the weekly chart on the S&P 500. And we're at a critical area of support. I'll draw us a line so that you're going to be able to see what we're talking about. The weekly chart on the S&P 500 has a weekly sell signal, and it does. So basically, when we're taking a look at exactly what that means right here, this is where in calendar 2018 that the S&P has been holding this support level. Here we sold off, we had a pop, we made another low, we had a pop. The 10-week moving average on this chart just so happens to be 2705. That's the blue line. It crossed over the 20-week, which is extremely bearish. We have a weekly sell signal in the S&P. That 20-week moving average, the red line, that 20-week moving average, which it's violated, that's at 2793. This is a very bearish setup going into calendar 2019 and how the new bear market has been eating up investors and traders. Listen, you can join our free 5-day trial, and you can. And we give out all the orders on the entries and the exits. Everything is done by us. All right, here we have that monthly chart. The blue line is a 10-month moving average at 2741. We sold through it. The red line is very significant on a 20-month moving average at 2657. And we went below it. And this is calendar 2018. The bulls have lost all their gains. Will there be a Christmas rally? It's possible. But right now, this technical damage is done. And going into 2019, this S&P 500 could trade right around this 2400 level. If we break it, there's another trend line right here on the downside. 2533 is going to be the key to the S&P 500 on this monthly breakdown into what we call a bear market. It is in the bear market. The stocks in the S&P 500, half of them out of the 500, 50%, were in bear trends, and they are. This is a significant change moving into calendar, what? 2019.